So this is Wario again, and today I've got this new improvement for ceiling fans at W&W. It is a stack motor fan. It's the only thing that would... Stack motor is the only type of motor that would support a fan with this type of straightened flywheel made of cardboard and paper. And cardboard blades that were drooping with just paper, so I added the cardboard layer to the flywheel. This fan is awesome. This is all I gotta say. It spins. Works great. And well, yeah, it should be balanced. Blades are yet to droop. Sometimes there might be downward issues, and if there are, then I can fix those. I'm using the hugger feature with down rod. But if this fan is to be sold and your ceilings are higher, I got this down rod. So I'll just take it apart and show you with the down rod. So if you're a person with high ceilings, then you can use it this way. It still has the good mounting base, but instead it's on a down rod. And I don't know why, but it gets loose on the down rod and wobble a lot. And also, for some unknown reason, the flywheel works a lot better on the down rod first instead of the hugger canopy. And well, I don't really have ceilings this high anywhere in this apartment. Ceilings are all about 7.5 foot here. So I'd have to use the hugger version of this. So I want to demonstrate it here, but Matt has higher ceilings somewhere. Matt has high ceilings in the hallway, and he has a high ceiling in his room. But there's a huge angle there, and I can't mount this there. So demonstrate to you. I'm going to prop the camera up. I'm going to spin it. Oops. It works really great. That's the hugger particle. But well, yeah, it's the best W&W fan ever. It is called the W&W Cardborde model, because it is the first ever fan made with cardboard blades and a cardboard flywheel. It definitely works better with the down rod, but it still would work if you use the hugger canopy, although it wouldn't work as great. If you got low ceilings, then purchase it with the hugger canopy. And if you got higher ceilings, if you got a room with higher ceilings that you want to mount this in, then purchase it with the down rod. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell this or not yet, but it's true work about it. I made this entirely by myself. No help from Waluigi over there. No help from anyone else at W&W. Downward I have to grab out of the drawer, but everything else was made. But everything else was handmade. I just made these blades out of sheet of cardboard. Split into 4 blades. This is by the way a 52-inch. I've never done 52-inch before. But this is my first 52-inch. For 52-inch, the blades would be 10 to 11 inches each. So I don't know if it's a 52-inch yet, but someone tells me it is. Alright, it's not 52-inch. It's a 48-inch. It's a 48-inch. The blade's at 9 inches, so it's a 48-inch fan. Well, I don't know where people get 52-inch from. And these are huge measurements when the length of the blade is a lot shorter. You have length of 2 of them combined, and the flywheel in the middle of the motor. Totals of 21 inches. This would be considered 48-inch. I can fit right here in my kitchen with the under canopy. However, there's a room with higher ceilings, probably somewhere like my attic. Maybe in that hallway. Probably can't see it, it's extremely dark in there. That's hallway or my attic. Rooms with higher ceilings. I can use the down rod. Although I need a step to reach the ceiling. And down here, I can just mount it. And this will get on the couch and get the ceiling to mount it. Oh. Or I could just stand on a kitchen chair and reach the ceiling more easily. Now I have the advantage to move the chair, so I can mount it anywhere in the kitchen. I'm probably going to do it right here where there's a lot of space. But I could just center it for circulation. Put it here by the oven and the microwave because Chef cooks a lot. And steam would be billowing up. So it'd be nice to have the fan keep the steam down. And keep the kitchen cool. The living room by W&W original fell down, so I put it here. The W&W original was like a 15-inch or something. Put it here in the bedroom, doesn't have a fan at all. You want to see the fan in the bathroom. Office has got one. The kitchen has a placeholder right there. So, placeholder is like a fake ceiling fan that you just put on the ceiling to mark that you put a real ceiling fan there soon. Like my W&W fans. Fake fans don't count as W&W. But well, that's basically all. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more W&W, please give us a like and subscribe. If you want the latest videos, any type of videos. So, thanks for watching.